Hello, this is my experience from Kiddy Coders.
So far, I have really enjoyed being at the school because of the kind staff and excellent learning. If you are ever stuck on anything, the teachers are always here to help. During my time learning with them, I have learned the basic aspects of Python programming. I have become confident in creating games and quizzes. As a person joining, I would like to say that you'll really enjoy your time here and that you'll gain lots of new knowledge.
This is the first one, and it creates a block that moves. This is the code. The block can move down, right, left, up, diagonal right up, diagonal left up, diagonal down right, and diagonal left right. This is the second one of 3 codes that I'll be showing. Here's the code. And this creates a countdown in space with a background picture. Let me run it. And here you can see that it says time gone before asteroid hits, time left before asteroid hits, and it has a countdown. There's also a background. This is the third out of 3 games. Here is the code. This creates a Halloween themed snake game with a background and music. There are many difficulty settings following easy, medium, hard, harder and impossible. I have the difficulty on medium. Let's try it.
They said he wasn't real. They said he wouldn't come back.
There you go.
Thank you for watching my experience with
Kiddy Coders.
Have a Merry Christmas!